Hello, dear students. Today is our online video section. I am going to discuss to you the unit number 2, Basic of C language. And in this chapter, we will discuss the topic of different types of character sets, variables, and data types in C language. After this completion of this video, student will be able to understand what is a character set, tokens, variables, and various data types in C language. So we will see how these topics are in C language. First one is character set. What is character set? Basically, it is contain of different type of 4 groups. Like that, there may be letters, digits, special characters, and white space. Okay. So in this topic, character set is a different type of segment, as I declared earlier, letters. So letters may be, there are 2 types. There are in uppercase and lowercase letters. Digits are, we know, 0 to 9, the only numeric values only allowed. Special characters like that, semicolon, double quotes, etc., etc. There are many special characters. And white space are blank, tab, or new line. So the conclusion we did that the combination of this 4 segment is known as a character set. Okay, so we look the one by one, what is the characteristics of letter, digit, special characters, and white space. As I declared earlier, letters are maybe uppercase or lowercase. Here I write over here A to Z is in uppercase because A to Z is a capital letters, and the lowercase letter are small letters which are A to Z. Digits are all we know. These are numeric values 0 to 9. And special characters are comma, periods, semicolon, colons, question mark, quotations, dollar sign, slash, at the rate, hash sign. These are all the special characters. Some characters we have to need in our C programming language. Just for example, backslash, double quotation. These are some example like the hash, because our C program start with the hash. If we write a single word in C language, then we start our code with hash, include stdio.h. So it is a special character. White space are blank space, horizontal step, carriage return, new line, form, feed. So these are the character set examples. Next thing is that keyword, tokens. What is a token in C language? What is a token in C language? So there are 6 types of token in C language, namely are keywords, identifiers, constants, string, special symbols, and operators. So this is whole set of the combination of 6 things is known to be as a token. So initially this word represent all tokens. So first we study here about keyword. What is a keyword? Keyword, namely, keyword are reserved word in C programming whose meaning are not changed. C contain 32 keywords as follows. Okay. In C language, there are fixed 32 words. Their meaning cannot be changed or cannot be customized as our requirement. Okay. And all keywords must be written in lowercase because the keyword is also in their own writing rules. So first rule is all keyword must be written in lowercase. The underscore character is also permitted in identifiers. Keywords serve a basic building blocks of program statements. So keyword is a basic building program of C language, and it is written in small letters, or we can say in lowercase pattern. Second thing is identifier. I declare here the second number is identifier. First characters, same as an keyword, identifier has some special rule there. First character must be an alphabet. Okay. First character must be an alphabet, must consist of only letters, digits, or underscore. Okay. Only first 31 characters are significant, cannot use keywords. Identifier cannot use keywords. Remaining 32 words remainings are known as a identifier. They could not contain the white space. For example, I say int space a equal to 10. Int a equal to 10. So a is here as an identifier. Constants. As we know, what is the constant? The constant value cannot be changed for any time. For example, I says pi value. Pi value is a constant of 3.14. Pi value is a 3.14. Here we divide the constant into two parts: integer constant, real constant, character constants, string constants. So we will see the one by one all the constants. Number one is integer constant. An integer constant refers to a sequence of a digit. It may be a integer digit, for example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 9, 8, 7, 9. So this is the constant value. Here is also we categorize the constant in decimal integer, octal integer, and hexadecimal integer. Decimal integer are those integer values they contain 0 to 9 preceding by a optional minus or plus sign, because the decimal in binary language with decimal count 0 to 9. So here is 0 to 9 numbers are known as a decimal integer. Similar, if we read octal, so how we read the octal? Octal we read 0 to 7. So these are number, and octal integer constant consists of any combination of digit the set of 0 through 7 with a leading 0. 0 we can include here. Okay, 0 we can include here. And similar is hexadecimal is refer for 0 to 15. So this is the three types of integer constant here: decimal integer, octal integer, and hexadecimal integer. Now, what is a real constant? To represent quantities that vary continuously, real constants are used. A real number may be expressed in exponential notation syntax like e. exponent. Okay, sometimes we write our value with the help of e. Suppose we have to declare any range and it is very long to write, so we declare, suppose 314.28e. Okay, so here is exponential constant. Okay, then next, single character constant. A single character constant contain a single character enclose a pair of single quote marks. Example, here is 5 is written in a constant in single quote marks. X is a declare as a single character constant in single quote. And one more thing is that in this single quote quotation 5 is not same as a number 5. Both things are different. Okay, both things are different. Next we have the string constant. String constant is nothing but it is a one letter in between of double quotation. For example, this is the word is hello. Okay, this is the alphabets and this is under double quotation marks. So this is our string constant, or we can say 1987, or we can I add, if I write the computer in double quotation, so it is also an string constant. Backslash character constant. Backslash character constant, as we know, in a new line, backslash, new tab, it is audible, null values, question mark, form feed. So there are many different circumstances we use the backslash character constant. It is very helpful to build a program, and we use in Turbo C application as well as other important parts. Now we are going to read what is a variable. As we know, the constant is the fixed value that we cannot change. As earlier, the variable is value that can be changed and can be customized as our requirement. Okay, and variable is a data name that may be used to store a data value. A variable may take different values at different times during execution. Yes, because the variable means is depends on, it varies from our requirement, and it change at the time of execution. Condition for specifying variables, they must begin with a letter. Always they begin with a letter. Some systems may permit underscore as a first character. It may be uppercase and lowercase are significant. The variable total is different from total and total. Similar thing we read earlier, the in single quotation 5 and only 5, both are different things. So here the same is example, the total is small in total and this total is, both are different thing here. Similar, variable is cannot be a keyword. As we know, the keyword always value, fixed value, 32 values are fixed as a keyword. So the variable name cannot be as a keyword. White space is not allowed. Length should be normally than 8 character. It is permissible up to 8 character. Example of valid variable are John, x1, t underscore raise, first underscore tag. Okay, this is the right method to declare of any variable. And some invalid variables are like that, 1, 2, 3. Here is 1, 2, 3 is a constant, not a variable. Okay, 1, 2, 3 is here, constant is not a variable. So we have to must careful to declare our variable value. Now come to very important topic, data types. In C language, data type has an important role And without data type, we cannot create our program as long as. So C language is rich in data types. There are some data types there are primary, secondary, and user-defined data types. Similar, these data types are follow as well as in C++ and as well as C. So primary data types are integer, character, float, double, boolean, void, and white character. Secondary data type is array, function, and pointer. And user defined, it means the user can create their own data type, which one is structure, union, and enumerated enum data types. So there are different size in bytes, bits, their range, and their control string. Okay. So char, initially we char the size in bytes is 1, size in bits in 8, and the range is -128 to +127. And we declare the control string as a symbol %C. Int is size in bytes 2, bits in 16, and the range is -3276S2 +32767, and the sign of %D. Similar as a float, 4, 32. This is exponential. As I talked earlier, E is an exponential constant. Okay, and it is declared by %F. Double is 864, and this is exponential 1.7e minus 308 to 1.7e plus 308 %LD. This is the basic example. Here is int. Int is here an integer. So a equal to 5, we can see a equal to 5 as a integer type value because 5 doesn't have any decimal value. Here float. Float is a b and equal to 5.0. This is the float value because b is here decimal value, or we can say point value. Character C, W is a character, long D is a long value, just like example 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And as I think the control strings are %C, so integer we have %D, float for %F, character for %C, and long integer %LD. The same thing I told earlier. Next these are 4 types modifier. Types of modifier like short, long, sign, and unsigned. So integer type we have signed int, short int, long int. Unsigned int, short int, long int, and float, double, long double, and character for char, sign char, and unsigned char. These are the table, and their size and their format string and their range is described here. So we can summarize this table so we can get very easily our program. Next, C provide enumerated data type as we know earlier. And one more thing, it is a type def. Okay, type definition. It is known as a type definition. So this is written like that, type and DEF simultaneously. The whole word is type def, type identifier. Next, similar enum, enumerated data type. In this example, that all the values are in same kind. For example, 1 week. So we write here Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and so on. Suppose we have to write 1 year. So all the month name should be written in the bracket here, like January, February, March, up to December. It must be a same value from start to end. Next, some are some storage classes. The storage classes are 4 types: auto storage class, register, static, and external storage class. Auto storage class is the symbol is like that: int mount auto int month. Okay. The example above define two variables within the same storage class. The register storage class. The register storage class is used to define local variable that should be stored in a register instead of RA. Similar as a static storage class and the external storage class. So we have covered all our topics as I mentioned earlier in the our PPT slide, and I think and I hope all of you have to understand these topics, and thank you to listening and watching me. Thank you.